Imagine a snake bit you, and instead of focusing on healing from the snake bite, you went and chased down the snake and said, "Why did you do that?" And the snake said, "I'm a fucking snake. What do you think?" You all have to stop wasting time trying to figure out why they did that. How could they do that? What does it mean? No. You're never going to understand because you would never do it and you're not like them. And also, every time that you put energy into trying to figure out why, get into the mind of a shitty person, you're putting your healing on pause. Don't go running after the snake trying to say to them, "I didn't deserve that. I'm a good person. Why would you do that to me?" No. You get out of the snake pit. You go somewhere else. You never let that snake have access to you again. You don't hang around to see if it fucking bites you again.